Yeah, so we're looking at SEV, S-E-V, it's Sono Group. It's not really easy to get a lot of information on this. Sono Group builds and designs solar-powered electric vehicles. And today, look, this is their IPO day or something like that. So I always say stay away from the IPO day. Typically, it's just going to fail, but it looks like it had a decent kind of push here, but we'll see how it works out. I was thinking we should take the break there, but if you notice there, it looks like it's having trouble getting through that little bit of an area. I don't know, the way I see it is there's not a whole bunch here. You know, there's 20%, I suppose, but I mean, it's hard to know how much further it can go. The trade that I can see is only like 3%, so I don't know if it's worth it. Excuse me. So there's the order. 34.52. We kind of bring that down. It was originally 34.72 where we were going to take the buy. Stop is fairly tight. The profit is there. It's a really tight little thing. It still works out to be a 3-to-1, 2.5-to-1 odds here. So we'll see if this works. There's the position filling in. And typically, like I like to see, we'll have a major push here. We'll have a major push right after we've entered. It doesn't always, that means, I think it means we're in the right spot, right? So obviously there was a lot of other people interested at these exact levels almost, right? Like at 35. So we took it a little late at 52. It's hard to know, right? Just have to be mindful of these levels. This the high of the day here is gonna. That's why I think if it can get up there, it's gonna want to just push through it a bit, and that's where I thought the profit. If we push through a little bit, then it's gonna want to pull back, right? So we'll just take the profit off, and hopefully get a trade here. Almost looking good. It's almost looking good. We're up 1% here. If we can get it to break that line at 35.50 or whatever that is, that's a little bit lower than 35.47, 46, whatever that is. If it can break that level, I think it'll push up to the profit. It won't be an extremely large amount of profit here, but I mean, it'll justify the trade, I bet. So just lining everything up, getting it all ready. This is a part of the trick of it. You got to be ready for it. I'm going to move that stop up as soon as I possibly can once we get up and in here. And by doing that, I'm actually going to move the target up just a bit as well so we can chase this up. Just keep kind of, leapfrog the thing up to try and not let any of these pesky profits go to waste. Just like that, it pushed through, and will it hold up above here? We're getting really close to the 36. When do you modify here? When do we change it to protect anything that we have? Because at this point now I can dump and be done with it, right? So let's just go ahead and modify. See how we moved everything up there. Again, you gotta have everything ready. So we're gonna wanna move our stop up again to 35.35 probably. It's important to have everything ready. It's getting into the 36 range. We wanna, again, we're not leaving any of this pesky profit to waste here. As soon as moving it up now. That should have filled the actual target there, 36.35. I don't know why it didn't. Maybe a bit of a liquidity problem here, right? But let's go ahead and move this up some more just to be on the... Oh, never mind, it did take it. It took it right there. So, there you have it. There was a quick, easy, small, simple, and plus there's friggin' 35 more minutes of time left. So, did we make the right choice again, right? Like, it's always about the right choice. And will this go further? Maybe. I don't know. But we're taking it off into strength here. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. Yeah, it looks like we made a major mistake there by cutting it. Those are getting really tight, those candles, though, right? Like, this is a tough... That's a tough decision right there if it's going to make it further. Like I said, though, you don't know where this is going to stop. I have no idea where it's going to go to, right? Like, there's no history to it. So, I don't know, taking 5%, you know, things could be worse. You could take a fucking loss. But anyway, like, subscribe, share. Okay, well, there's that pushback that we were looking for. Is there a second trade here? I don't know. I don't think so. 26 minutes, 27 minutes or something like that till the end of the day. A lot of time on the clock here, so might need to shake some out here. Yeah, so lo and behold, it did break, it pushed break here. Now, is it, you know what I mean? It's just not my style to try and scalp for 2.3%. A lot of people could probably do that, but it's just not my style. Well, what an interesting turn of events. There's 5 minutes left in the day. This is almost looking like a hold overnight kind of situation. I am not going to, probably, but wow, what a turn of events. And then you've got this IONQ, just went fucking bonkers here at the end. I don't know why. Yeah, take a look at that. IONQ on really low volume. Fucking bonkers. Well, there's the close. Excuse me. I was really tempted. I had the order open and everything. I was thinking about putting like $500 on it. Because I thought, if this goes up to, say, like it goes to 80 or something stupid, and that's 100%, I was like, well, you'd make $1,000, right? Like, it wouldn't be the end of the world, right? Or even if you made, that would be 200%, I guess. You get what I'm saying? It was, I don't know, $500 overnight. Worst case scenario is that it could fall back to wherever, and you'd only be risking X amount, right? Like, there wouldn't be that much of a cut on $500. 10% would be $50, right? 20% would be $100. So if it came back if it came back 20% overnight, then that. Yeah, just wait and see. This thing is probably gonna go bonkers over the after hours for some reason. Solar powered EV, like they're having trouble with the normal freaking battery, man. You gotta be kidding me. Like, this is not a real thing, guys. So, in the future, I sure should hope it is going to be the real deal, but right now, they don't have anything going. Like, it's just all talk. Like, there's nothing here. Like, share, subscribe. We give out high fives, and we'll show you.